My parents have always been hard workers, and they instilled me in those entrepreneurial skills at a young age. As a teen, I would sell and flip sneakers, book bags, and even cell phones. So when I came close to finishing my math of personal finance class with Mr. Fritz, that's when I realized I wanted to build my own empire.
For me, growing up watching my mom raise her family as a single mother inspired me to create something bigger than myself. Being a student at Reading High taught me to be resilient, have passion, and grow as a person.
The reason we decided to do rolled ice cream was because we wanted to bring something new and fresh to Reading. We love coming in and creating different flavors and watching our customers walk away with a smile.
We named Lola's Ice after my mom, who chose to be a mother before she was a woman, who sacrificed her dreams and dedicated her life to being a mom.
We're thankful for our experience at Reading High, as it taught us how to communicate with anyone and take risk head on. My name is Cesar. I graduated from Reading High in 2013.
My name is Isamar. I graduated from Reading High in 2010.
And we're RSD proud.